Hello and welcome to my channel. I really appreciate that you spend time to watch my videos. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell for future videos. That will greatly help my channel to grow. In this video I will turn a pedestal bowl with a hollow barley twisted stem. I've never made anything barley twisted before. This project, so please comment and tell me if you like the piece or not, and feel free to give me tips and tricks. If you have any questions or other feedback on the video, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will answer all comments I get. At this point I'm really close to getting 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, and when I do this I will turn a piece that I will give away to a lucky winner on a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Everyone can participate. I will send all over the world. The rules for participating in the 3,000 subscriber giveaway will be in the video I will make at that point. The whole project is made in Wankohl. It's a wood similar to teak, and it's an African hardwood. I finished the shape of the stem and getting ready to do the barley twist. My lathe has a built-in indexing system with 24 position, and I will make a mark at position 1, 7 and so on, so I get 4 positions around the stem. And as you can see here, I will mark them with a 1, 2, 3 and 4, so I know which part to connect when I'm doing the barley twist. And here to the left you can see the 1, 2, 3 and 4 marked up. I'm using a thin stripe of blue painter's tape to mark up the barley twist. And the way I do it is that I put the tape on from number 1 and connect it to number 3. And then I put a piece of tape from number 2 and connect to number 4, and again from number 3 and connect to number 1, and then again from number 4 and connect to number 2. As you can see here, some of the tape pieces did not have the same curve, and I tried to correct this with altering the tape positions. As I'm not using any jigs or anything else like that, it's all done by eye measuring. After placing the last piece of tape, I was as happy as I was gonna get with the tape positions, and I started to take out some of the wood with a 10mm drill. I removed as much wood as I could with the 10mm drill bit. And after that I used my Dremel tool to remove the rest of the wood. After doing this, I definitely need to check on which type of bits is best to use for certain jobs, because this took a lot of time to do. The bit could remove some wood, but it was a painful, long process. I think I ended up using a little over 2 hours just on removing the wood from the inside of the stem. After removing as much as possible with the bit, I changed to the sandpaper option on the Dremel and started by sanding and shaping with sandpaper. I used the normal grit 80 on the Dremel, and then I went through the grits to grit 400 by hand. I found it very hard to get all the twisted small stems in the same thickness and without any markings from the tools and so on. And I need to figure out how to do this a little bit better when I do the next. It's definitely something I'm going to do again, even though it took a long time to do. And after a couple of hours, it was time to give the stem some sanding sealer, and I decided at this point that this was the best I could get out of this piece without practicing a little more with the Dremel tool. The next piece I made was the base of the Pedestal Bowl, and it was, as I said in the beginning, also made in Ovancoal, and I made the glue up of the base and the bowl itself off camera. Here making a 22mm hole to be able to glue in the stem for the Pedestal Bowl. I wanted the base to sit on 3 points, and to do this I marked up 120 degrees, so I times 3, so I got 3 points to sit the base on. And after that I used a cork from a wine bottle and put some circles, as I will show you in a second. And with these I connected the 3 points with a line, so I could take out the wood. You can see the circles here, and so I could take out the woods and only have the 3 points left in the end. And to be sure not to remove something that shouldn't be removed, I marked up what I needed to remove with a black marker. To get rid of the wood to making the base, I used the Dremel again, and then I used some hand files, as you can see in a little while, and of course a lot of sandpaper. I sanded the base from grid 120 to grid 400. At the end I used the disc sander to get the small legs to be the exact same height. I gave the base and the stem 2 coats of Danish oil before starting on the top of the pedestal bowl. the end I used the negative rake scraper to remove the last tool marks before I sanded the piece from grit 120 to grit 400. The top also got 2 coats of Danish oil, and as a final finish I gave the entire piece 2 coats of Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax. And then I glued the 3 pieces together with normal wood glue. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed the turning. If you did, please give it a like and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And please subscribe to my channel, that will greatly help my channel to grow. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. I hope you have a great day and stay safe out there.